It does our hearts good to see something that versatile. This is a combo of a lamp, a water fountain, and a Bluetooth speaker in one body. Pour some water and plug the device into the socket. Voila! Now you can relieve stress to the sound of trickling water. The spill-resistant design prevents spills and enhances the artistic vibe. Built-in LEDs glow in 2 preset light modes, cool light and warm light. And a stepless dimmer allows you to adjust the brightness with ease. As a Bluetooth speaker, it features 2 5-watt drivers with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity to produce clear and detailed stereo audio with stable wireless streaming. With the dynamic waterfall and comfortable light, this thing is great to be the eye-catching focus in the interior setup and make you comfortable at night. What? Riding a bike? On water? Yep, this is a bike analog, a hydrofoil bike. It mostly looks like an ordinary bike, but it has those hydrofoils instead of wheels that keep the gadget afloat. The propeller is driven by a pedal, but you can turn on a 400-watt electric motor and move on electric traction. The aluminum frame with carbon fiber parts is lightweight yet durable, so it's ready for the wildest adventures. As for the riding, well, you need some time to learn how to ride on the water. Good news, there are several ways to start moving. Once you've mastered the bike, get ready to glide up to 12 miles per hour and up to 4 hours on one charge. The bike weighs about 65 pounds and is easy to disassemble, so carrying this thing's not an issue. Okay, here's the problem. Most LED lighting emits a harmful blue light. This desk lamp is your solution to that issue. It includes 3 color settings to accommodate different times of the day. For example, the cool white light is perfect for when you want your space at its brightest, the neutral white light is a must for long periods of work sessions, and the warm white light is best to wind down during the evening. A built-in 2,000 mAh battery gives up to 20 hours of non-stop working. Touch panel display on the base allows all the controls. Nice! Yep, your eyes don't deceive you. This sling bag features a fairly large screen with bright LEDs. Just download the dedicated app and choose one of the animations from the giant gallery. You can also draw your own and even convert the image you've liked into pixel art. The app provides you with a ton of other customization options. The display will also show notifications like calls and text messages and other glanceable info like the clock and the weather. Since it's pixel art, there are some mini games as well. As for the bag, it can be worn any way you like, and it's big enough to fit all your essentials. That's how a bag turns into a great multifunctional accessory. Meet the coolest pool lounger ever! Well, it mostly looks like an inflatable chair, but here's the secret. It features 2 propellers that rotate your boat 360 degrees on the water. The propellers are controlled by 2 joysticks with buttons that allow moving the lounger in all directions. The lounger runs on batteries, and setting it up won't take much time. It even provides you with a built-in cup holder to securely hold your cup while you're moving around. One device to charge them all. The portable power bank will juice up your Qi-enabled gadgets anywhere and anytime. Just in case they don't support wireless charging, there are 2 types of ports to save the day. So on the whole, you can power up to 3 gadgets at a time. A digital display on the side will provide you with all the essential info, and when a 10,000 mAh battery drains out, just plug the power bank into a regular socket. It's that simple. There's always that problem everyone faces when traveling: how to charge all your devices fast, easy, and simultaneously. This adapter can charge up to 4 devices at a time wherever you are. Thanks to 4 interchangeable plugs, you can do that no matter what country you're in. Oh, the device also doubles as a nightlight. Just don't forget to adjust the brightness. Finally, the adapter is small, so it won't take much space in your bag. Is that a plumpy soda can? Nope, it's a speaker you'll definitely take on your next camping trip. There's no need to look for space where you could put this thing. Just put it into your cup holder or mount it to your handlebar, or even 2 of them to get that stereo sound. The speaker's really loud and powerful for its size. It runs up to 4 hours on one charge and withstands all kinds of stress you might get through. And here comes a younger brother. It's a tiny bit weaker, yet all the other features are the same. We have one more option worth checking out. You can split the speaker into 5 smaller speakers to get that surround sound, or you might keep it as it is and take that musical sausage to the beach for a whole day. It runs around 7 hours. What's the main problem with all those security cams? They won't work if your Wi-Fi router's too far away or when there are too many walls in the signal's way. This one's a total game changer. It runs on special technology that evenly covers up to 5,400 square feet, no matter the number of walls and any other objects between the gateway and the cam. For the rest, this cam is as good as the others. Wide angle of view and HD quality provides you with a good pit day and night. One more pro is that it starts recording only when it detects motion. All the footage will be stored in a cloud, but if you feel you need to see what's going on right now, go ahead and connect to the live stream. If that's a courier, tell him to leave the package at the door. If it's a bad guy, tell him to get out of there. Can't live a fulfilling life because of core or shoulder pain? This device calms down the pain and relaxes stiffness. It works as a personalized heat and vibration healing treatment. Fasten it on the lower back, shoulder, or knee and feel how the tension will go away. The touchscreen makes it easy and convenient to use. You have full control over this device for the best treatment result. For example, adjust the comfortable temperature and choose one of 3 vibration levels. You don't have to stay still. The device will adapt to your actions. This is what recovery on the go looks like. Oh, there's a big party by the pool and you need some additional seats? You'll get them without breaking a sweat. All you need to do is press a button in 2 minutes to get an armchair, or 4 if that's a sofa. The secret is a rechargeable air pump. Yup, no more manual inflating. The sofa handles up to 660 pounds, is made of sturdy materials. You can literally jump on it. There's no chance to get an air leakage. You'd like to refresh your furniture a little? Take off the cover and wash just like any other piece of clothes. What's cool? When the sofa is folded, it's no bigger than a backpack. Super portable. Bulky power banks are gone to the past. With this portable pocket-thick cutie, you can seamlessly charge your headphones, Apple or USB-C gadgets whenever you need them. It's so tiny you can put it on a keychain and take it anywhere you like. Well, yeah, with its 1400 mAh battery, it won't charge your iPhone up to 100%. It's more like a power boost in emergency situations, but it's still impressive. The secret is that special magnetic dock that'll keep your power bank fully charged 24/7. The package also includes some screws and adhesive tape, so yeah, there are several ways to mount it. This one is a must-have for every gamer. This thing brings video gaming to the next level, as it was shown in the movie Ready Player One. From now on, you can be equally amused with exploring the variety of amazing games and doing your workouts. Fix the device on your body and you're ready to either play or train. The construction of the gadget lets you feel every move and every punch, block, dodge, and leap through a new world while blasting calories. And get ready for some real senses. You can customize the resistance to make it as difficult as you want. After the workout, just place the controller and the chest unit onto the dock for rapid charging. No more fitness or gaming, it's time for fitness gaming. Love listening to music but lack sound quality? If you happen to have a pair of wired headphones, this audio gadget brings the audio to studio-grade levels. So it's a 2-in-1 device that combines a digital analog converter and a headphone amplifier. Its new tone control system lets you make adjustments to different frequencies without degrading the quality. It also features powerful FPGA technology that uses programmable circuits and custom coding to deliver the best digital to analog conversion performance you can get. USB-C allows fast data transfer, but there are additional ports for coaxial and micro USB connections as well. Oh, and there's an optional add-on device called Poly, which lets you use a micro SD card to play audio or stream music over Bluetooth, AirPlay, and even DNLA servers.